Perhaps the single most exciting and empowering season of life that a mom can go through is her pregnancy journey. But it's also one that, unfortunately, in today's medicalized world can come with lots of stress, anxiety, emotions, and unknowns as well. So who's this video made for? Well, this video is specifically made for those moms who want to take their pregnancy head on, full of confidence, with good health, being resilient and prepared for the absolute best health outcomes. And when it comes to not just the outcomes for birth and baby, but for you, mom, as well. So what are we talking about? What are we going to learn from this video? Well, it's my goal that in this video, I'll be breaking down the science of how much stress and anxiety can negatively impact our health and outcomes for our health, for both mom and baby, but also how can we use this incredible piece of technology that we have available in prenatal chiropractic offices all over the country, but in ours as well, that's revolutionizing prenatal care, and how this one measurement is linked to all sorts of pregnancy-related health challenges, things like preterm birth, gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, and restricted fetal growth syndrome. So if you don't mind, just sit back. I'm going to be going through all of the science of how anxiety and stress can impact your health and what this technology can look like. Now I'm going to get into the science of really how chiropractic can help pregnant moms, because unfortunately, in many cases, pregnancy starts out emotional. You have emotions that feel like a roller coaster. This often is what accompanies pregnancy. So we want to address any overwhelming thoughts or decisions that come up, even with the news of being pregnant. You know, there's a lot of stress involved. And so we want you women that are pregnant just to take a deep breath and know that we got you. We want to be a support to you. So some common symptoms that many pregnant moms go through, unfortunately, is things like morning sickness, throwing up in the morning and not being able to hold food down, just feelings of fatigue and reflux and just back pain, hip pain, pubic pain. And so these symptoms are actually a result of significant hormonal and neurological changes. And what does that mean? Well, the role of your nervous system in pregnancy is to really balance out your function and to help with the creation and growth of a baby. So we want well-balanced nervous systems during pregnancy. And when we look at the autonomic nervous system, there's either two branches, sympathetic or parasympathetic. These regulate body functions. So sympathetic is like the fight or flight response. This is like the stress response. So when you are under stress, or we call this subluxation, that can impact your nervous system and lead to many health challenges. So we have a way of measuring that stress and subluxation in pregnancy. And this technology is called heart rate variability. It's super significant because this actually is what measures that autonomic nerve system. It helps us to see how overall in stress or anxiety you are and how resilient and adaptable your nervous system is. So with HRV, we can track and monitor your neurological health throughout your pregnancy, even postpartum. So how low HRV, it's been linked to research to challenges such as preterm birth, gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, and restricted fetal growth syndrome. So there's so many benefits to getting checked from a neurologically based chiropractor, especially one that's trained in prenatal chiropractic. And one of the biggest and most positively impactful thing that we do as pediatric chiropractors is to help your overall well-being for not just you, mom, but also your baby. So there's a lot of amazing things that care can provide, including things like better sleep, quality of sleep, just feelings of rest, hormonal regulation, optimal fetal development, making sure there's enough room in the pelvis for baby to grow. So this is not just about your symptoms, but it's about enhancing your entire neurological system and function and empowering you, mom and dad, to have a natural birth, to have the birth that you always wanted. And so we want to support and empower you to just have that birth that you always wanted. And in a prenatal chiropractic office like ours, we're going to not guess with your health. We are going to focus on the root of the issue. We're going to measure your neurological function, and we will give you an exact assessment to see those objective findings and then give you the most specific care possible to help you get actual results. So for you, mom, if you are sitting at home wondering what to do next, well, the first step is to get that appointment booked. We will support you in this journey, but first we need to do that neurological scan to see exactly what's going on with your health, and then give you a thorough report of findings so you know how we are going to help you. And so that way you can also see the significance of your health and what the nervous system is actually looking like. And we can give you the exact recommendations to get you from where you are today to the place you want to be for an optimal labor and delivery. So please give us a call, 612-516-3090, or book now on our website. We'll link the description or the link below, and we hope to hear from you soon because we want to be your guide, we want to be your support, and we got you.